Hey guys, this is Slow EK. Today we're gonna be tearing up my GSR. Finally here. I'll be removing the pistons, crank, and everything, and I'm gonna send it out. So right now I'll show you some progress we've done. Alright, by we, I mean cause my cousin Johnny's there. My boy Raka, you probably see him in some videos, some other people, but he's here too. Right now I just took out the, where is it? The oil pan, the splash shield, and the sump, and the dipstick. That's it. We're gonna remove the caps right now. Hopefully everything goes good. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. I'm gonna remove all the sensors, everything that it has. I'm gonna put the black bare so we could get ready to send it out to the shop. What's up, guys? My hair might be a little bit fucked up, but it's alright. Alright, so yesterday I got the block disassembled. I only need the oil pump and the timing belt tensioner, and I did not get that out because the timing belt tensioner has a bolt on it, a 14 mil. I couldn't get out. It was really bad in there. I think they tried removing it before, but it's bad. So I have my extractor bolt set right now with me, so I'm gonna be going, try giving it another shot, try removing it. Now I'm gonna have to do some other stuff, but we got this. So in order to remove the oil pump, you gotta remove the tensioner. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Should be good. And I also gotta remove the flywheel, but I'm gonna do a battery impact for that because the crankshaft's just rotating. So yeah, I'll be doing that. Hopefully we get it removed. Hopefully I remove the crankshaft. Then from there we're gonna send it. Guys, we're gonna be doing that with the crankshaft, taking out the bolts for the flywheel, removing it and all that good stuff. Then I'm also gonna go pick up the GSR trans, which I had on my other truck, but that truck got sold, so I gotta go pick up the GSR trans and everything. So I'm gonna be moving the engine and the GSR trans to my garage now, so we could be working more and more content, you know, so I could actually keep you guys updated, because I gotta be going to my cousin's house, work on the engine and stuff. So now I'm gonna just do that in my garage from now on, so I could show you guys more stuff. And so hopefully I'll get my pistons ordered next week, my new water pump, oil pump, and all that stuff I need. I'm gonna try to make a build list for you guys, post it on the description, because this build list, I'm pretty much gonna show you how to build it and everything, how to do the clearances and everything. The only thing you're gonna have to do for this build is, and that depends on you, if you want to send out the block to get bored out and to get CSS machine. Yeah, that's on you guys if you guys want to do that. If you guys don't, it's the same process to build it with the same piston sets and everything. So you're gonna have to get the piston rings and all that stuff. So I'll be showing you how to do that, all that stuff. I'm gonna be showing you how to put it back together. This is gonna be the removal, but this is for later videos, you know. I got you guys, but it's gonna take some time because I gotta buy all these parts. But meanwhile, hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna be showing you all the steps you gotta take. You guys seen how to use an impact plus the extractor I have. It's a pretty good tool, as you guys saw. That shit grips to the bolt really good. We got it out. So right now I'm gonna go ahead, take out the flywheel with the gun, and then I'm gonna put it back on the engine stand to remove the, if not, I could just remove it like that. I'll see what I do right now. I went ahead and removed the main seal bolts and the oil pump bolts. So I'll be showing you guys right now how to take it off. Right now I already took them off, but I put them back, so I'll show you how they go and shit. But just letting you know, you're gonna need like a plastic mallet to hit them out most of the time, because the seal is so stuck to it that you're gonna need it. Do not hit it with any metal. You will mess up your oil pump or your main seal. I'm gonna replace them. I did not hit them with a metal. I hit them with a plastic. So I got them out, but I'll show you guys how they come out and stuff. Hey, what's up, guys? So hey, what's up, guys? About to go pick up the GSR. I just finished. Blocks completely stripped. So I got it in a bag. I bagged it up. I'm gonna be taking it home. Then I'm gonna load it up in my car, and then we're gonna be taking it to the shop. So I'll keep you guys updated. Probably won't show you when I take it to the shop, because I'm gonna just send it, you know. But I will keep you guys updated with other stuff I do to the hatch, because now I'm just worried about the parts this engine had. We'll probably be detailing them and stuff and painting them, paint some brackets and stuff. You know, so yeah, I'll post some videos that next week, maybe by Sunday.
Yo tengo mis pensadores que a cualquier hora trabajan con una bolsa de coca. No sienten las desveladas haciendo cuadros de mota, periqueándose la pasan.
What's up, guys? We just picked up the GSR Trans. We're on the way back to my cousin's house. Nigga, go, nigga. Ooh. Nigga was right behind us. Alright, we're back to my cousin's house. I'm gonna be dropping off the Trans there. I'm just gonna take the block to my house while I make space so I can take everything else and start working on. I don't gotta work on anything anymore, but since I'm building this engine, like, I wanna make it look nice. So it's like, you know, might as well. It's already outside.
We gotta degrease the transmission.
Yeah, we also gotta degrease the transmission. Well, the previous owner just spray painted it, but I'ma just degrease the fuck out of it, sand it down and everything, so I could paint it and stuff. Well, actually, I'm not gonna do that because I still gotta open it and change out the synchros on it. But I'll be showing you guys that like later on. So don't worry about that video yet. There's way more content coming. Just take a break on me, because I've been working a lot. Try to make time for this build. It's dragging me, you know. I had to go take a class for driving and stuff, because I got into some trouble last year, but we're all good now. So yeah, moving forward now, we should be good.